So thank you for following this course. I hope that you understood a little bit about how machine learning works and how it's powering a lot of the products that you use today. But I also hope that it inspires you to know more, to understand even deeper how this technology works, and maybe to pursue a career in AI. As I said before, I strongly believe that the future is going to require a lot of people that have this sort of mixed background, that they know some industry, let's say marketing, healthcare, energy, whatever, but also know enough of artificial intelligence so that they can find the intersection between the two and find amazing opportunities to improve humanity as a whole and to improve your company, to improve your life, to improve other people's lives. If you're interested in that, if you're interested in pursuing this career, I'm going to put down in the description of this lesson some links for some other more advanced courses that you can follow so that you can start learning more about AI and hopefully pursue a career that's going to make you happy, it's going to make you feel successful, and that is going to help a lot of people potentially thanks to your new AI projects that you're going to develop. So thank you again, it has been a pleasure to teach you, and see you hopefully in one of my other courses.